Today we will talk about 3 surprising facts of Vietnamese virgin hair vendors you never know. The first fact is that not all hair factories are factories. Does that sound a little bit confusing to you? Well, as a logical estimate, this fact is happening right now in Vietnam. 50% of all the hair factories that you see on Instagram or Facebook are commercial companies, which are basically wholesalers that buy hair from other Vietnamese factories to resell for you and earn the profits. You should buy from real factories to get much cheaper price. I advise you to, based on sites such as manufacturers' photos or introduction videos. This is an example of an introduction of real hair factories. The most reasonable prices of Vietnamese hair. Indian hair is the cheapest prices, but the largest quality. Chinese hair has a low price, but the hair cannot be used for a long time. On the other hand, Vietnamese hair is the most reasonable of all with good prices and suitable quality.
Hi, I'm a hair wholesaler and I've been buying hair from China and India for 1 year. After a year, I received a lot of complaints from my customers saying the quality of the hair decreases every week, that it was dry and had some synthetic hair. So I decided to look for the best hair, the best quality hair ever. Some of my friends suggested I should look for a Vietnamese supplier. The first one I found was K hair, but the price is so expensive compared to Chinese and Indian hair. So I said to myself, what if I buy this hair and can't sell it because the price is too expensive? However, I decided to place an order of 1 kg. Here is their hair. It is smooth, silky, and my fingers can control it. I was surprised because my customers really like it and are ready to pay any amount because they are satisfied with the K hair products. I think I'll continue buying from K hair.
The third fact is that Vietnamese hair is used with hand technology. Initially, hand technology is obviously the ultimate option for hair manufacturing, which requires skillfulness and carefulness to produce faultless hair. Additionally, there are also skillful workers with 10 to 20 years of experience in the hair field. This is the steaming machine from K hair factories, one of the leading hair wholesale factories in Vietnam. Undoubtedly, this is a proof showing that Vietnamese hair factories are not inferior to other factories in the world. Contact Ms. Hana, sales manager and hair expert from K hair factory to get discounts and the best wholesale price. Thank you.